Don't worry. I'll ninja jump him.
Alright, go to first person for the shotgun.
Got it.
Don't aim down the sight.
See him?
You see him?
I thought you saw him.
No, I don't see anybody in here. I just see loot. I think they just got guns and got out of here. Just grab everything you can.
Oh, hey, look, the dragon bow.
Come on, child. There's people in here. Dude, right next to you.
I didn't see him. Damn, good eyes.
Killed one, but I'm lit. I'm on 1 HP. I literally had 0 HP for a second. He's Chinese!
Because I need you.
Wait. Watch the door for me.
He's coming! 7 health on. 7 health.
Yeah! Okay. Shotgun's OP. I'm gonna start using it now. Alright, Big, I'm gonna ride this out for you. I'm gonna kill everyone here and die.
I killed 2 people. No, 1 kill. I got 1 kill. You killed everyone else. Now shut the door and loot.
Nothing happened here.